Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm sitting out in the 2003 Land Cruiser. I had a little problem, so I have to in and check the light bulbs or change the light bulbs maybe in the backlights on both sides. To get out the lights here is very simple, 2 bolts. Then just take out the 2 10mm. There. After that, let's just take the lights and drag it backwards. Yeah. Loosen up. Inside here is a connector that should pressure in and disconnect. Then that light stack is loose. The top should be the brake light and the ordinary light. It seems to be okay. So that can just put them back. It's just one way they go in. So I have to find that way. There. Second one is turn signal light. That one was not working, at least. But why? I'm not sure. The bulb looks like it's okay. And then the backup light. Here also the bulb looks to be okay. Now just see here, one clips that's placed in here and placed on here, so I have to push it there, there, and then just put back this 10mm, this 10mm. Done on the other side, it's the same, but it's even smaller space. 10mm, 10mm. Loosen out, same connection. There. Difference are the setup system because of the hinges and the doors. For those guys who was coming here just to see a short video, I cut down a video to just how to take out the light and how to change the bulb. I hope that make you guys see that it's very simple. As long as everything else is working, it's very simple. So please like the video, and please subscribe to my channel, please put a comment. I hope this video helps someone, and please, I hope someone can give me information where to start looking for my problem with the signaling light in the back of the car. The hazard is working, but the ordinary flasher right and left is not working on the back, but it's working in the front. So thank you. Please come back to the channel, please like, subscribe, put comments, give me ideas. If you had a problem in this, please come back telling me what I should be looking for. So thank you.